Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Brooks Macdonald Wealth Management. Brooks Macdonald Wealth Management offers bespoke wealth management services to high-net-worth individuals and families. Their main purpose is to provide comprehensive financial planning and investment management, aiming to help clients grow and protect their assets. Key features likely include portfolio management, financial planning, tax advice, and estate planning services. Their website provides details on their various services and approach. They position themselves as offering personalized, proactive wealth management with a focus on long-term growth and client relationships. They emphasize a transparent and communicative approach, although specific pricing details are usually discussed on a case-by-case basis. Availability is dependent on meeting their client criteria and geographic location. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Brooks Macdonald Wealth Management. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. After an initial consultation to discuss my financial goals and risk tolerance, I was assigned a dedicated wealth manager. The onboarding process involved completing some necessary paperwork and providing relevant financial information. Navigating their online client portal was intuitive. I could easily access my portfolio performance, transaction history, and upcoming financial planning appointments. I was really impressed by how clearly they presented complex financial data, making it easy to understand even as a non-expert. I had a quick question about a particular investment strategy and my wealth manager responded promptly via email, offering a detailed and helpful explanation. The standout feature for me was definitely the level of personalized attention and proactive advice I received. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for quick portfolio checks. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. Brooks Macdonald has exceeded my expectations by providing not only expert wealth management but also a supportive and personalized experience. Their attention to detail and commitment to client communication have been exceptional. That's my overview of my experience with Brooks Macdonald Wealth Management. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.